What is up, everyone? So today we're going to be going out to Cars and Coffee as we usually do, but this time I'm not going to do the whole not going to do an edit or anything. I'm just going to do this one kind of differently. But yeah, so I'll be taking you guys along with me, and this time let's see if you guys like it. Go take pictures then. So we made it to Cars and Coffee. This is like the whole crew that we're running with, and honestly, I just love always seeing my car. But unfortunately, like the way that I come, always hella bugs. So I'll probably show you guys. So you guys can probably see here, there's like bugs in this area, all in this right here. Pure f***ing bugs. There's even an R32 here today. It's just right there, but honestly, and the police officer as well coming up, everyone pulling up. So while I'm here, I got a ticket for not having an exhaust like 2 weeks ago, so hopefully the cops here can probably sign it off. So we're gonna go ask them. I probably won't put this on camera, but we'll just go and see how it goes. All right, so I got my ticket signed off thanks to this police officer right here from Richmond. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, and honestly, thank you. This is like one of the first Ferraris that I've ever seen before, and I really like them. And it reminds me more of like the Testarossa, which, you know, this inside part here. And honestly, I wish I could have enjoyed one of these at the time, but sadly I could not. It's hella noisy out here, but y'all can see. Got the 720S over here. This is a Mustang Bullet. I got a Q1 over there too. And if I'm not, that's the ZR1 right over there. I must have walked past by this one, but I didn't even notice it. I've never seen these 4 GTs in person, like this old one, but honestly it looks so nice. I'll see the inside here. And this thing is like super low to the ground. This is a nice spec 4 GT, honestly. Beautiful all the way around. Honestly, a GT500 sounds pretty nice about now, but let's wait for the 2019 or the 2020 ones. Pretty sure those are going to be a lot better. Oh, I was walking around and I saw this Mustang right here. Honestly, this is the kind of build I would love to have. The louvers in the back, the wicker, probably different rims, but as low as this car is, that's something that I see myself wanting to drive. And then we have a casual 370Zs, one in reverse and one coming at it. Traffic ahead. Oh, Hellcat. How I want a Hellcat so bad. Well, any Challenger at this point, that's not a V6, because honestly, if you're gonna get a muscle car, it has to be in a V8. That's what what I think. That's a really nice Fusion. Not my taste, but pretty nice. You like that one better? No, Mackie. The Fusion. Go with Ford. Although you have a Dodge.
I had a Ford.
Really?
So I have 450.
Ooh.
Turbo.
Alright, so who's trying to race this guy?
Yeah, you should race him. You should race him.
I'm over here looking at this area here, and I'm just like, oh, nice turbo. Nice.
What backseat?
Nice little LSX. Yeah. Idle's too scared to do that right there. Idle, do that shit right there, bro. Don't be scared. Ooh. This right here.
Mama playing by the
I afford my engine.
Oh, but you can afford my new tires?
Comment down below if I should just buy one of these GT350 Mustangs. Because if I'm gonna trade it the ST, it better be for one of these.
Regular one.
But this is, yeah, the Rush.
GT one.
This is the Rush Stage 2, that's why. And it has the same thing as the 5.0, like every other GT. The only difference is the Brembo brakes. It's like a track package basically, and then the exhaust, and then the decals that's on it.
Okay.
The 2 race cars, Cobalt SS, and then the WRX STI.
We realized it was worth stepping back.
Oh, and he's running that NOS. That's about it for me on all this take on what Clark Coffee is. It looks a lot more boring on my end just because there's a lot of music. I was interacting a lot more with other people, and honestly, it's just, you just lose track and sight of like everything you want to film. There's not a lot of stuff going on here either, because if you look at it, I mean, there's a decent amount of cars, but for some reason it's like there's nothing at the same time. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. Have any questions? Comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Bye.